are you doing? You got those mean old hiccups. Oh, you got those mean old hiccups. You're awfully squirmy. Goodness, where are you going? You got Mommy's hand? No, I let go. Where are you going? What are you doing, booger? You're just gonna lay over here. Is that what you're gonna do? You're just gonna lay over here? Let's sit back up. Oh. Let's sit back up. You're supposed to be sitting up, booger. Oh, where are you going now? Where are you going? You are all over the place. Say hi. Say hi. Does mean old Hiccups got you? Does mean old Hiccups got you? Mr. Bright Eyes. Mr. Bright Eyes. Goodness. Goodness. Those mean old Hiccups. Where are you going? Don't go that way either. You're supposed to sit up here. Goodness. Oh. Mommy puts a hand there so you don't fall to the side. So you want to go falling forward? Is that what we're doing now? Is that what we're doing now? We fall forward because we can't fall to the side? What are you doing, squirmy butt? Are those hiccups knocking you all over the place? Are they knocking you all over the place? Tell me. Tell me about it. Heather. Goodness. Goodness. Are they making you mad? Tell me. Are they making you mad? Tell me. Talk to me about it. Goodness. You got Mommy's hand. Goodness. Now where are you going? Let's sit back up here. Oh. Goodness. Oh. You're too cute, you know that. You're too cute. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna look at the camera? There we go. Say bye-bye.